Cover 1. Under the dark circles, in fact, I think the salmon color in this step should be as light as possible. To be honest, I squeeze a lot each time, but I don't use it evenly. Spread it on the most flawed place, and then this. If you can only have half a face and half a face, use it less to moisturize and dry quickly. Fucking. Then pick a piece of colored powder to decide. The makeup is still a little lighter today. This eyebrow pencil is really very shallow. Anyway, it doesn't matter if you want to be the fastest assistant, right? I'm the one. I'll tell me that you're not the one. Eyebrow arch, mouth corner, nasal base are brightened twice, and then there is a face-to-face brightening. No. The error-prone approach is very suitable for beginners. It is to brighten with this kind of eyes, and then a dimming brush will hit it. In the middle of you. Then I searched with a makeup mirror. This one. When you're so cute. This double eyelid. Paste 4 layers of this selling color on the basis of this eyelash. I really feel double eyelashes. The hair is really good looking. Put the real false eyelashes. One piece is eyeliner. And then draw the eyelashes and draw the eyelashes. If the cream will not be black. If the colored eyeliner is open, you can use white and white. Error prone. Then brighten up Aegyo cell and circle it with eyeliner. Use a pure white one first. The matte highlights are particularly sparkling. Off. God, this is amazing to use to brighten up. I will buy this back for a lifetime. Please don't. Just don't stop production. It's really good. It feels a little special to see it glow. Deepen your eyes again. The folds of the leather, then blush. I like this one. I really like it. Brush your eyebrows. Just bring a hairy flu. Wow, it doesn't matter the color. It looks good after a while. You want to see a magic trick? Abracadabra, these bitches.